Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the HP gaming keyboard K500F. So it comes in this nice white and blue box like Sony boxes, and it has a lot of things printed on the back with all the demonstration in different languages. You also get the specifications you can pause and watch. Of course, it is a USB with 5-watt power, and the price quoted here is around 1399. But the general pricing is around $1249, and I got this for $899. So make sure to look for offers before buying this device. So let's focus a little bit, and you can see nice blue boxes with a lot of things printed, and this is made in China. So being HP, it's still made in China. So let's bring our unnecessary black scissor and cut the seal off, cutting the HP seal off from the left to the right, removing the indent. Reveal us the box. So very nice box, I would say, for the keyboard. So let's open it up, and wow, just look at it, the presentation here, the HP, this is the HP cover on it. So let's remove this. It's nice soft cover, I would say, and you get the USB 2.0 cable, and you get some lot of manuals here. So this is the HP support manual, and honestly I have been through the HP support and they have been helpful. So they have a nice support, you have warranty card, you have information, and this is the start of the show, which is the gaming keyboard. So nice build quality, I would say. The keycaps is not that visible on the first attempt, I would say, but has nice HP logo, and as you can see, the light is properly reflecting. I think it's just metal plate. So let's keep this side for that moment, and we'll come up with a full review. So guys, I'm using this HP K500F for more than a week now, and I'm really happy with the overall performance of this keyboard. So I bought this for $899 from Amazon, and the general price is around $1,048 and the MRP is $1,249. So of course, don't buy an MRP, buy between $1,900. That's the sweet point. I would suggest you to wait for offers like Diwali offers, Navratri offers, or year-end sale, and buy this under $899 or $800, which will be a stellar deal in my opinion. Now let's discuss with the pros and cons of this keyboard. So first of all, I bought this keyboard because to make my new setup, which I will show you in a while. So the full setup video gonna be coming soon, so stay tuned, stay subscribed. Now I was earlier looking to the Philips keyboard. The reason why I was looking for a Philips keyboard is because you can see this gap, right? So there's a lot of dust accumulation possible here, but the Philips keyboard was fully sealed, so it was not this kind of shape, which is the membrane switches, but it was flat laser edge switches, but it was packed, and I think it was individually lit. It was looking really good. I actually bought it not for gaming. I generally do video editing and coding, so I want a keyboard more functional as well as more beautiful. So I was thinking to buy that, but it went out of stock and never came back. Like I waited for 1 to 2 months, it never came back. The next I watched this is K500F, and I bought it. I'm really happy. I'm happy even more than Philips one, because see, to be honest, I just wanted for RGB, but this turned out to be even better. There are features that I will show you which you won't find in such a low price keyboard. So let's get started. So first of all, let's discuss with the pros. So you can see this is a metal frame, so this is not a cheap keyboard, though it is priced under 1,000 rupees. You get plastic here, but you get metal frame here. This is a metal plate. It's not a block, it's a metal plate with nice HP logo etched on it. It feels premium, it feels cool, it feels dope. And to be honest, if you go with that Red Gear keyboard in this price segment and Zebronics, they feel cheap. It's full plastic, but this is built very nice. It's HP, you know, the brand speaks, and sometimes they make really good products for the price. So it's built like a tank. The next thing is this rainbow backlight. As you can see, it's really cool. Now again, my torches or my lights are on, that's why the brightness may seem low, but this is a good example that in the afternoon, this is how it looks like. So it's not individually backlit, there's just one light under the bottom, which is giving that rainbow: red, yellow, green, purple, and sky blue. It looks good, and the best thing about it is there's controls for it. So if you press this function key and the F1, or I think it's this exclamation mark. You can see there's 3 modes. So one is this breathe mode, which is like going and coming. Then there is flash mode, as you can see, and then there is normal mode, which I prefer. So this is normal mode with the rainbow backlit. Also the brightness is controllable, so you press function, page up for full brightness, page down for lower the brightness, page down again for the lowering the brightness, and again to switch the lights off. So this is the switch off position, as you can see. Now what I feel is in the afternoon it's quite visible, but generally without the lights it's unusable in my opinion, because this is an edged keys. Okay, this is an edged keys, it's not white coated, so it's actually translucent, so you can't see it properly. So I think you need to turn on the lights always, maybe on lower brightness, but I would like to keep it in full brightness. So as you can see, it looks nice. Now it has that membrane switches. So as you can see, this has that membrane switches. It is not a mechanical, but it gives you the mechanical feel overall, and the key travel is also good. It's decent, I would say, for the desktop keyboard. I've used a laptop keyboard, so I'm used to it. So I'm making a little bit of mistakes, but overall for desktop keyboard, it's insanely good. It feels like a mechanical keyboard. You press the key. It's very good for gaming. Now, why they call this a gaming keyboard is because of some features that I ignored when buying this device. It has double injection keycaps. Now, what is double injection keycaps? So basically, it is a molded keys. Okay, so generally in a normal keyboard, what they do is they make the white button, they color the black over it, and then they edge the white font on the keycaps. Whereas in double injection keycaps, there's 2 layers. One is the white layer, which is on the bottom, and there is another black, which has that gaps, which is molded. Actually the words is molded so that the light can pass through it and give this very nice feeling. So the best thing about it is that this won't fade away. Like it looks dull because it is transparent, it is not colored, but it won't fade away for a longer time. Like journal keyboard, if you see, the letters just went away. This is not the key. This is a premium feature, I would say, they have put it. That's very nice. Now again, there is the subtle design, so it's not like gamery look. I want subtle design because I'm not buying this for gaming. I'm mostly buying this for video editing, for coding, and for channel use, and for adding RGB in my setup. So that's good as well. And has 26 anti-ghost feature. So what is anti-ghost? So basically, normal keyboard, if you press more than 3 keys, it won't register. And this is very bad for gaming because gamers can press each second. For them it is important, they can press simultaneously. So this keyboard is actually a gaming keyboard because it has 26 anti-ghost keys. So you can press 26 keys together and still gonna register on a computer, which is phenomenal for the price you pay. So you get this premium keyboard, which is not built cheap. It's solid. It has that heft to it. It has nice key travel. It has nice colors. I would say the letter is a little bit dull, so you can't use it without the lights. It's very difficult. I won't prefer that, but you have the option to lower the brightness, to change this breathing mode and disco mode and normal mode. So that's good, and it doesn't require any software to be installed on a computer. So this is standalone. I have Linux, so it doesn't have any drivers for it, but still it's working flawlessly. So that's good as well. Now, not all things are good. Let's come to the cons. So the first of all con is, I said, it's not readable without backlit. So it's probably because it's edge, it's translucent, it's not the white layer on it. So I think in that perspective, the Philips keyboard might do a better job. And is it a dust magnet? Because there's a lot of empty space. So if you're in a dusty room like me, you're gonna have a hard time cleaning this one. This is not mechanical, but okay, that's acceptable for the price. So I won't say it's a major con. But the letters or the key are not individually backlit. So it's one backlit. So that's the price you pay for this. So if you want individual backlit, you have to go with Logitech one, which costs around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. And in India, I see there's very few options for RGB keyboard, and this is one of the major one which I prefer and I suggest. So what's my verdict? So overall, highly recommended for home use, office use, and light gaming. The reason I'm calling light gaming is because this is not a mechanical, and definitely if you are buying a gaming peripherals, you can spend more in Logitech one and get the proper mechanical keyboard. But if you're tight on budget, and this membrane switches can really give you the mechanical feel, and the anti-ghost feature, you can game for hours and hours without any issues. So that's pretty much for this video. Hope you liked it. I will leave the Amazon links in the video description. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.